Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best 3D printer that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of slow 3D printers that take forever to finish large models? Many printers struggle with speed, inconsistent bed leveling, and limited build volume, making big projects frustrating and time-consuming. If you want faster prints, bigger build space, and reliable performance without spending a fortune, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Meet the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, a high-speed 3D printer featuring 500 mm per second printing speed, a 300 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle, auto-leveling, and a large 320 by 320 by 385 mm build volume. First, the ultra-fast printing speed up to 500 mm per second dramatically reduces print time while maintaining solid quality. Second, the large 320 by 320 by 385 mm build volume allows you to print big models in one piece, perfect for helmets, prototypes, and large functional parts. It also features a 300 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle, which supports advanced filaments like PTG, TPU, ABS, and more. The direct drive extruder improves filament control, making flexible materials easier to print. Auto bed leveling ensures consistent first layers without manual adjustment. You also get a sturdy metal frame design for stability during high-speed printing. And the clipper-based firmware delivers smoother motion and better precision. Pros: extremely fast printing performance, large build volume, strong metal construction, and great support for multiple filament types. It also offers excellent value for a high-speed printer. Cons: it's fairly large, so it needs plenty of desk space. Cooling fans can be a bit noisy at full speed. And beginners may need a little setup time. This printer is ideal for makers who print large models, hobbyists upgrading from smaller printers, and anyone who wants fast production without spending premium money. It's also great for small businesses and prototype creators. At around $332.50, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus delivers excellent value, combining high speed, large size, and advanced features at a very competitive price. Number 4. Introducing the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, a compact high-speed 3D printer with multicolor printing support, full auto calibration, and quiet operation designed for beginners and enthusiasts. The A1 Mini supports multicolor 3D printing, allowing you to create detailed models without manual filament swaps. It features full automatic calibration, including bed leveling, vibration compensation, and flow rate tuning, so you can start printing with minimal setup. You also get high-speed printing performance while maintaining excellent precision and surface quality. Active flow rate compensation helps maintain consistent extrusion for cleaner prints. The printer is extremely quiet at around 48 dB, making it ideal for home or office use. Setup takes about 20 minutes, making it beginner-friendly right out of the box. Its compact and lightweight design also makes it easy to place on smaller desks. Pros: multicolor printing support, very easy setup, quiet operation, excellent print quality, and smart automatic calibration. Cons: smaller build volume compared to larger printers, multicolor system sold separately in some bundles, and limited for very large prints. This printer is perfect for beginners, hobbyists, students, and creators who want easy multicolor printing. It's also great for small desks, home use, and users who want reliable prints without manual tuning. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini offers strong value with smart automation, multicolor capability, and high-quality printing in a compact and beginner-friendly package. Number 3. Introducing the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max, a large-format 7K resin 3D printer featuring a 13.6-inch screen, advanced COB Light Turbo 3.0 lighting, and high-detail printing. The Photon Mono M7 Max comes with a massive 13.6-inch 7K monochrome LCD, delivering ultra-detailed prints with sharp edges and smooth surfaces. It offers a large print size of 11.8 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.5 inches, allowing you to print multiple models or large parts in one batch. COB Light Turbo 3.0 provides uniform light distribution for better curing consistency and improved print accuracy. Dynamic resin heating helps maintain optimal temperature, improving print success and reducing failures. The flip-open cover design makes it easy to access prints and refill resin. It also features a sturdy aluminum and ABS construction for stability during printing. High-speed resin printing reduces production time while maintaining professional quality results. Pros: extremely detailed 7K resolution, large build volume, consistent light system, built-in resin heating, and solid build quality. Great for batch printing. Cons: resin printing requires more cleanup, larger footprint, and resin materials can be more expensive than filament. Ventilation is also recommended. This printer is ideal for miniatures, jewelry makers, dental models, highly detailed prototypes, and professionals needing ultra-fine detail. It's also great for users who want large resin printing capability. At $649.99, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max offers excellent value for a large 7K resin printer, combining high resolution, large print size, and advanced lighting technology for professional-level results. Number 2. Introducing the Tina 2 Mini 3D Printer by Hefi 3D, a compact, beginner-friendly FDM printer that comes fully assembled with auto-leveling and simple plug-and-play operation. The Tina 2 Mini arrives fully assembled, so you can start printing right out of the box, perfect for beginners and kids. It features automatic bed leveling, removing the need for manual adjustments and improving first-layer success. The compact size makes it ideal for desks, classrooms, and small workspaces. A removable flexible magnetic build plate allows easy print removal without damaging models. It also includes resume printing, so your print continues after power loss. The open-source design gives users the option to modify and experiment. Quiet operation and simple controls make it easy for first-time users to learn 3D printing. Pros: fully assembled, beginner-friendly, compact size, auto-leveling, and easy print removal. Very simple to use. Cons: small build volume, slower printing compared to larger printers, and limited advanced features for experienced users. This printer is best for beginners, kids, students, and hobby users who want an easy introduction to 3D printing. It's also great for small projects, educational use, and compact setups. At $169.99, the Tina 2 Mini offers good value for beginners, especially with auto-leveling, fully assembled design, and easy-to-use features in a compact printer. Number 1. Introducing the FlashForge Adventurer 5M, a high-speed Core XY 3D printer with fully automatic leveling, 600 mm per second speed, and a quick-detach 280 degrees Celsius nozzle. The Adventurer 5M features ultra-fast printing speeds up to 600 mm per second, dramatically reducing print times. Its Core XY motion structure improves stability, precision, and smoother high-speed movement. Fully automatic bed leveling ensures consistent first layers without manual tuning. The 280 degrees Celsius quick-detach nozzle makes swapping nozzles fast and easy for different materials. It supports PLA, PTG, TPU, PLACF, and PTGCF, with optional enclosure for ABS and ASA. Compact but sturdy design saves desk space while maintaining stability. It also includes smart cooling and optimized motion control for better surface quality. Beginner-friendly setup makes it suitable for both rookies and experienced users. Pros: extremely fast printing, Core XY precision, auto-leveling, easy nozzle swap, and compact footprint. Great value for the performance. Cons: build volume is smaller than large printers, enclosure sold separately, and high-speed fans can be slightly noisy. This printer is perfect for beginners wanting fast printing, hobbyists upgrading from entry-level machines, and makers who want compact high-speed performance. It's also great for small workshops and rapid prototyping. At $238.99, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M offers outstanding value, delivering Core XY speed, auto-leveling, and modern features at a very competitive price. Check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more 3D printer reviews.